Hi, my name is Saad. I'm a chef at Santia Learning Center. Today I'm going to show you my favorite coconut and dates cookie bowl. I'm going to run through the ingredients. So that's plain flour, oats, baking powder, chopped dates. You can do by knife or food processor. That's the smashed banana. You can do by fork or food processor. Desiccated coconut, golden syrup, milk, olive oil, vanilla. So I'm going to put all the dry ingredients into one bowl, followed by dates, coconut, banana, golden syrup, coconut oil, and milk. And I'm going to make a soft dough. And once the dough is ready, you can make to a small balls or any shape you want. And you can line a tray, baking tray, and preheat the oven to 170 degrees. And you can cook for about 12 to 15 minutes until it turns into golden brown in color. And this is what I've made this earlier. Thank you very much.